First and foremost, AI is a natural extension of a digital and data transformation that CMOs have been leading for years. So AI is not an initiative unto itself. AI is an extension of the data and digital transformation. And by the way, for CMOs of most companies of scale, they have been leading that data and digital transformation in conjunction with their CIO and their CTO, with their CFO and the rest of the C suite. And they're really collaborating with a lot of the other functional leaders, whether it's supply chain or sales, thinking about a host of other functional silos that really do need to come together in that transformation because the data has to relate to drive business value. The second reason the CMOs, I think, have a prime seat at the table is think about any emerging technology. When we all started yakking about the metaverse, who was doing the yakking in most companies? Probably a CMO, right? Because a lot of emerging technology, a lot of the curiosity, it sits with CMOs. Web3, same thing. So I think when things are in the zeitgeist in either a B2C or a B2B context, it is natural that people in most companies do turn to the CMO and say, talk to me about this. I think another reason CMOs are keenly interested in this particular topic is if you look at the research, we just did research with a bunch of C suite executives going into our innovation summit. We did this in 6 cities around the world. And what was striking about the data was that 49% of the functions that were anticipated to be disrupted were in either sales or marketing, and it was a long distance to the next highest function, which was R&D. Which means if commercial functions are going to be disrupted, CMOs are also worried, like, how is this going to impact me and my people? So I think there's a real value in having a CMO drive a big chunk of this dialogue because they've got a lot of experience in thinking about how the enterprise will be impacted by this particular innovation.